Hello and welcome to our new video. To create a YouTube video, using only two AI tools, follow these steps. ChatGPT can generate a YouTube script based on a user's prompt, providing a structured outline or even a fully fleshed out narrative. Once the script is generated, it can be copied and pasted into InVideo AI, a powerful video creation platform. InVideo AI utilizes advanced algorithms to convert text scripts into dynamic video content automatically. By integrating ChatGPT-generated scripts with InVideo AI, content creators can streamline their video production process, saving time and resources while producing engaging, AI-generated YouTube videos. InVideo AI offers a range of features including customizable templates, stock footage, music, and text-to-speech functionality, empowering creators to produce professional-looking videos efficiently and effectively. Start by going to ChatGPT from the link in the description and prompt the AI to generate a YouTube script on your preferred topic. Be detailed and thorough in your prompt to ensure the script meets your requirements. Once the script is generated, copy and paste it into the InVideo AI workspace. In the InVideo workspace, click on Generate Video to start the video creation process. Select the type of video you want to create and specify your audience, look and feel of the video, and platform preferences. After setting your preferences, click on Continue to proceed. Wait for the AI to generate the video based on the provided script and parameters. Once the video is generated, you can preview it to ensure it meets your expectations.
Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed before symptoms even appear, where financial fraud is detected in real time, where personalized education becomes the norm, and where ethical considerations guide technological advancement. This isn't a world of science fiction, it's a world being shaped by artificial intelligence. To begin our journey, let's define artificial intelligence, or
If necessary, prompt the AI to edit specific parts of the video to refine the content further. When exporting the video, select the desired resolution, watermark preferences, and whether to include InVideo AI branding. After finalizing the export settings, click on the Download button to save the video to your device. The links to InVideo and ChatGPT are in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.